Good morning, my loves. I hope you're all fantastic today. I have makeup on this morning because yesterday, I don't know what the hell was happening to me, but I feel like every single thing I was doing was just going completely and utterly wrong. I was just having one of those days where everything was going wrong. So the reason I have makeup on today is because a video filmed yesterday, I missed a whole clip. Just a whole clip. Whatever was going on in my brain. I mean, even yesterday I put lip liner in my waterline to try and line it at one stage. That's how just, I don't know, brain foggy my head was yesterday. I don't know what was going on with me. So I had to refilm a little clip today, so that's why I have makeup on now. Actually, oh, there we go. Forgot to turn off my mic again. This is why my batteries are wasting down on my mic, because I just use my mic and leave the battery running for days on end. I'm going straight into to help John with painting, and he's connecting up the electricity today to check to see if it's working, so fingers crossed. And then he hooked up the fire and everything on Friday. I think I told you that already, so I think we're gonna light a fire tonight if everything runs smoothly, which I think is so hilarious because it's still August and it's really hot outside. I have candles and everything over there. I'm like bringing over little bits and pieces to try and make it a little bit more homely, even though it's like a construction site at the moment. And John was like, oh, that's a lovely little touch to the construction site that we're in currently. He was laughing at me. He was like, just trust you to bring over like a candle and just think it's gonna make everything a little bit more homely. But I find the candles do that. And so I'm going over today because I'm painting the bathroom. The bathroom is the next big project that's going to be undertaken, and it is a massive project. I don't think John's too keen on, well, not that he's not too keen, I think he's just kind of dreading like re-roofing the bathroom and stuff like that. But look, it'll be fine, it'll come together. He's really handy and he knows how to do everything, and I mean, that's just, there's something really attractive about that. I was like looking at him doing all the handiwork and I was like, wow, I feel like I'm more attracted to him than ever before. I'm falling more in love with him because he can do like rewiring and stuff. What's wrong with me? Last night we went for a little drive. We went to visit John's friends, and then what else did we do last night? Oh, we watched like 3 episodes of Game of Thrones, so we're kind of halfway through the series 1, and I'm just like, because I know John's really enjoying it, but I'm just like, oh my god, you have so much to deal with coming up. So I was like, just to, you know, enjoy these early days where the little bits of drama are going on, because you have no idea what is about to hit the fan. I mean, you brace yourself. That's how excited I am for like Game of Thrones, and I'm saying nothing because obviously he's never seen it before. I'm getting so excited because I'm like, drama's coming, big things are coming, winter is coming. I'm making a mosaic, guys. Oh my god, yeah, I'm making a mosaic in the bathroom. So once that's kind of done, then the bathroom's basically finished. You saw it anyway. It's like a closet. It's a tiny little bathroom, but it has everything in it and it's very functional, and there's, you know, a whole lot that shelves can do. And we're taking another trip to IKEA. You know how much I love IKEA, and I think we're going to Home Store and More. Is it Home Store and More, or, oh my god, there's so many places. There's a place in Liffey Valley and a place in Blanchardstown. I'm not sure which one is which. There's, oh my god, Amy was telling me about them the other day. I know homeware is not like top of the agenda, because I have my storage unit, whatever like he wants to get, or if there's something that I would like, I can put it in the storage unit and then it can be taken out when the place is finished. Portugal is officially booked. So excited. John booked that last night, so we have our accommodation. We booked our flights weeks ago, but we just needed to get our accommodation. And we are also going to Kilkenny in 2 weeks, and we have booked our accommodation for that as well. I think we're staying in Carlow. I don't think I've ever been to Carlow other than driven through Carlow. I've never actually stayed in it. I've never actually gotten out and actually walked around Carlow. So I think that's where we're staying, and we're on the Kilkenny side of Carlow. And I'm excited to go to Kilkenny as well, because I haven't been there since I was a kid. We're doing a bit of adventuring in 2 weeks time, which will be fun. And yeah, that's all I kind of need to update you guys on right now. I'm gonna go back down, finish my work, and then head over to the apartment, and I will talk to you guys probably later on. 2 little orders as well. One here came from Sigma. So this is the new Air F80 flat kabuki brush. So this is what this packaging, or this product, looks like. So we have the regular F80. Oh my god, guys. There we go. Regular F80, which is this one here, and you guys know how much I love this. I shouldn't be pulling this out by the bristles, but that's the F80. I love that brush. But this is the new flat, or new Air F80. It's obviously a little bit more of a dual fiber. Like, it's not as dense, whereas this one, you know, the F80 is pretty dense with bristles. This one's a little bit more, like, not as many bristles in it, I guess. And then they sent me the F50 brush, which I don't think I've ever owned that before. This reminds me of the old MAC brushes. Was it the 150? I can't remember what brush it was from MAC. I used to use it as my foundation brush back in the day. I think it was like one of the first MAC brushes I ever got. So that is that. Thank you so much, Sigma. And the other product came from Miss Lynn. So I was talking to the suppliers of Miss Lynn, or the people who look after Miss Lynn products, and they said they wanted to send me out Miss Lynn products to try, and I am so keen to try these in a video. So there's no foundation products, but they have lip products, they have mascara, they have brow products, we have highlighters, then there is a contour, and I think that's a strobing powder. I don't have any blush or anything like that, but I think I will give these a go in a video, guys, and see what they're like. We also have like a duo contour stick, which I love these, and then this is a glow and cheek tint, so I could use that as a blush. I'm really excited to try this brand. They also sent me a lip liner, an eyeliner, so that is kind of cool. These are the products anyway, and they look really, really interesting. So dying to try these out. They have the colours all in the back of what's in them. Look at this one. This has like 3 really bright colours. This is also bright, so it has a pink, a red, and then a yellow. And this one is the, oops, I did it again. And it has like 3 shades in that. One is like a mauvey purple. This is probably the one I'm going to go for. The Ooh La La I Need It, and this is all greens. Oh, actually, do you know what? I haven't done green eyeshadows in a hot minute. Maybe I'll use that one. And then we have blues here, and this is, oh my god, no selfie please. So that is the shades of them. Oh, these look really nice. That's a red one, and then there's pinks and deeper shades. They look lovely. So you guys recommended this Miss Lynn brand to me. Can't wait to try that out. So thank you so much, Miss Lynn. I am dying to give these a go in a video, and I think they'll be really good because I think they're super affordable, and Beauty Bay sell them as well. I have my old clothes on. I'm going down to commence painting. Wait till you see my runners. My poor Converse. Like, they're old, but they are just a wreck right now. Look at the state of them. They're covered in paint and dust and dirt. My poor little cons. I think it's time for a new white pair. They are officially ruined, but they were old anyway, so I need a new pair. Okay, so we're off down to the apartment. Sorry if there's like a glare on the camera. It's really, really bright today. Stupidly, I left my sunglasses in the house, so we have to go without. It's really, really sunny today. I'm kind of hungry. I think I might get a wrap or something, like a chicken wrap. That's a good plan. So happy I got all my work done today. I got 2 videos edited, 1 vlog. I'm going to try and stick up the vlog this evening. I didn't have time to actually export the vlog. I just saved it, or not, what you call it, I didn't have time to upload the vlog. I just exported it from my computer, so it's ready to be uploaded, and I'll make it live when I'm home this evening, or if not, tomorrow morning. I know you guys love the vlogs. I was asking on Instagram what videos you want to see, and the majority of people were like vlogs. I was like, oh well, that's really good that you enjoy the vlogs. I feel like I'm so boring in vlogs. Like, I just feel like all I'm doing is talking to the camera, but then I guess maybe that's what people enjoy, and feel like I'm just chatting away to them. I think they're boring, but obviously you guys enjoy them, and I suppose I kind of know what's going on in my life, so that's why I would find it boring, whereas you guys probably like the update. But I don't feel like I am, I don't know, I don't feel like I'm that interesting. Although there are people that probably vlog that don't think they're very interesting, and I'm addicted to their vlogs, like Casey Holmes, although she is quite interesting, and ShanXO, I love her vlogs as well. And then there's a few other people that I watch, and they don't really, it's not like they're doing amazing things. They could be just sitting in their car or just in their house, and I just absolutely love their vlogs. I'm gonna run into the filling station here and get myself a wrap. So you're lighting their first fire. That's a great looking fire there, John. Yay! Warm up the joint. And we've got takeaway to have here in the middle of the floor, in the middle of the mess. But why not? Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're having a very lovely Wednesday. It's hump day. I am heading off to the apartment now to go and do a bit of work, and I'm so tired. I didn't even get to vlog that much yesterday because we didn't leave there till after 11. And I'm just knackered today. I'm super tired. So what did I do yesterday? I painted the bathroom. John is re-roofing the bathroom and he is reinforcing the floor before it gets tiled. I'm gonna do the tiling because I want to do a mosaic. Not that John won't know how to do that, but I've done it before, so I was like, I'll do that, and he was like, okay, I'll let you off do that. And then I think after the bathroom is done, we're gonna work on one room. So I think the sitting room is the next room we're gonna do. I'm not 100% sure. But guys, the electricity is all working. I am so excited. I mean, that was like the cherry on my day yesterday. And we got the stove in and lit it. Then we had a takeaway last night on the floor of the apartment in the sitting room in front of the fire. I was just so excited, and I am just thrilled that things are coming together really well in the apartment. And probably will be ready, I'd say either late September, early October, something like that. I don't really know, like obviously I can't estimate a time. We're just kind of moving along with it as we see fit, but it's just coming together really, really well, and I'm so happy. We didn't get to go to my storage unit the other day, and instead we're gonna go, I think today, because we have to pack up his car with all like the stuff that was in the apartment, like his desk and stuff like that. So we're gonna go there at some stage today. And my nanny was in hospital as well yesterday. She had a really bad kidney infection and she couldn't take oral antibiotics, so she had to get an in vitro, I was going to say. She had to get an intravenous or needle or, you know, liquid antibiotics. So she's home today now as well, but I'm really, really happy because I was worried about her and thinking about her in hospital. And I hate when she goes into hospital because it's just like, is she going to come out soon, or are they going to keep her for like a week or longer? And I just hate that feeling of, no, my nanny isn't well, but she's good and she's coming home. Well, I think she's home at lunchtime. Just lunchtime now. I had to drop Ollie off to her hair appointment. She's getting her hair done. I was like, I wish I was going to get my hair done. My hair looks like a raggy hot mess right now. I'm getting it done on Friday. I'm just getting a blow dry, but it just needs to seriously be maintained because I think there's so much paint and dust and dirt and everything in it. Even though I had a shower last night, I still feel like it's engraved into my scalp. It's just like living in my head. I have another vlog going up now. Well, it's uploading currently. Oh damn, did I even turn off my laptop at home? I don't think I did. It's uploading now, so I'll make that live as soon as it's finished uploading. I think it's sitting in my bedroom on my bed, my laptop, and I'm really annoyed that I didn't turn it off. I also need to get, guess what guys, guess what I need to get in my car? Diesel! Hey! I have 25 miles and I'm not getting diesel until I leave this evening because the shop is right beside, because there's like a filling station right beside the apartment, so I'll do that then. Oh god, I'm exhausted. Green light means go. So bloody shattered. I even slept well last night, but I think it was just because I wasn't in bed till late, and the fumes of the paint as well were just making me exhausted as well, giving me a headache. But look, it's all progress and everything's coming together really well, and I'm so happy. Okay, we're here. And I brought supplies. My supplies being a big bottle of water and a half-eaten bag of Haribos, because I feel like I need some sugar. I'm starving now, so I want to go get a wrap or a panini or something. Something toasted. I want something toasted. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. My lovely paintwork. Shower looks well. So I'm painting the walls in here, and they're all soft hessian. As you can see, obviously this is just the first coat of them. The second coat has to go on up after it, but it was magnolia before. John painted it when it was his office. So now I am painting it this colour, and Ollie's in next door painting the other room a different colour. So once this dries, I'll do a second coat, but I'm not going to do the second coat until the kitchen actually goes in, because the walls are just going to get dirty again, and just save me having to like clean them. I'll just paint over the dirt. And when you paint over it, it just kind of disappears. Paint is giving me an awful headache. I've had one for like the last 3 days and it's just still there, but once the painting's done it won't be as bad. So Ollie's helping and John's doing the bathroom, which is kind of turned into a bit of a nightmare. So we're just going to keep at it, I think, for the night. I have to paint the windowsills in here and the skirting boards. Oh, hi guys, it is way past my bedtime. It is, I think, 12:30 at night. I'm not actually sure, I haven't checked, but it was midnight when I got home. John did so much work. I am so proud of him. He is unbelievable. He just got everything done. He re-roofed the bathroom, which you would have seen in one of my other vlogs, how bad it was. He re-roofed the whole thing, and I'll show you tomorrow in the vlog. And that was a job and a half, because the ceiling was flooded and damaged and it's not even, and he had to like cut different types of wood out, and he just did an unbelievable job. The landing in the hall will also be kind of like a big job, because there's an awful lot of space and stuff, and I feel like I actually haven't talked to you guys about anything else other than like doing up an apartment in the longest time, so I'm sorry for that if this is really boring. Tomorrow I think I'm going to work a bit and then go down to the apartment, and I have a good bit of work to kind of get done and get through. I'm just knackered. I'm so tired, so I'm just gonna let myself wake up naturally. I need to put something, Sudocrem or something, on that spot. My mama made a gorgeous dinner tonight. We had salmon and potatoes. It was delicious, and John came over for dinner obviously because we were at the apartment, and she rang me and she's like, dinner's ready. I was like, yes, my mama's the best. So we haven't had any chill time together. I'm wanting tomorrow to be kind of like a chilled day, but I feel like we need to actually have like a date night. Every single night is just over in the apartment till after midnight, and we just haven't had any time to actually hang out. I know we're having fun and stuff because we're doing up the apartment, but it's just like, you know, you sometimes want some quality time together, watching a movie or something, and we haven't done that since the weekend. So hopefully in a few more days time we will get to do something like that. Maybe tomorrow. I'd love to go to the cinema tomorrow and just get nachos. That's all I'm thinking about is nachos. I'm like, I'd love some nachos. I need to stop eating junk. And because there's a shop right across the road from the apartment, John's like, I'll run over and get like water, and then comes back with like some chocolate or sweet thing. And I'm like, what are you doing? Like, what are you trying to do to me? So that's cottage all up tonight, guys. I don't know what way this vlog is going, because I feel like I've had like to run like a few days into one, but it's just that I haven't really had anything interesting to vlog other than me like hammering walls and painting. Like, I don't think you guys are interested in seeing that. Anyway guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Don't know what way the vlogs are going, but hopefully I have enough content for maybe 2 days together. I don't know. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.